Yep, that's ice. Yep, that's my boat. We got Matt. Here comes Julius. First boat in Erie, I'm guessing, to launch. Can't see anybody else doing this. I know some guys are going to come out tomorrow. So we're going to get after it.
All right. Wait for you, huh? Can't wait for you,
huh? Well, guys, boat's in the water. First time for 2021. About to try to get after some panfish. Got some work to do. We got to get through this ice, see what happens. But hopefully a safe voyage for the first one. Let's go, baby. Well, made it through the skim ice. Julius lost his bobber while he was waiting for us. Where is it? I can't see. I see it. Oh my God, this feels good, baby. Back in the rig. Hey, we're gonna go through some ice here, so I'll show you guys how we're getting down today. It's Sunday, no wind. It's like 24 degrees or something. We're just gonna send her, boys. All right, we're off Don John here. 35 feet of water. We got fish all on the bottom of the screen there. Is he on there? Grab him, bro. You sure?
Yep, I got him.
What? Look at, there we go, baby. Hey, wait, show him yours. Drop that one down on the ground.
Look.
Oh, there he is. Pull that thing up. Put it down. Boom. We're on the school. I knew it. Told you we had to be right on top of them. I don't know why. Show that fish.
Show that fish. Look at that one, Jack.
Look at it. We got some jumbos, baby. Let's go.
Let's go.
A couple this size. School's moving through again. Right off the bottom there. Let's go, baby. We're getting some jumbos out here. Let's go. Let's go. Another one. We got some nice fish coming up, man. Nice fish coming up. Beautiful scenery. The ass of a ship. Come on, get him, Julius. I see you watching.
I'm not got a gun. It's like you got a gun.
Absolutely nice chunky fish. Why? They're right under their boat. Baby.
Baby boys.
Let's go.
Ice is getting thin, boys. Wait, there's no ice.
Another one for me, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I mean, right now we building a basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 for me. I'm about to be limited out soon. Putting on a little clinic out here. I think my other one's about to go. Hog. Hoggy, hog, hog.
Yeah.
Oh shit, mine was just bouncing.
What you got, Matt? You got jumbo. There you go, Matt.
Here we go, baby.
There you go, baby.
There we go, jumbo.
Stand up to get my pole.
Hard to keep 2 rods in the water today.
Good stuff.
Let's get it, boys.
Let's get it, boys.
Nice fish, nice fish. Let's go. Nice. We're We're just fishing right off the bottom. You can see we're marking fish. 35 foot, right off of Don John. Nobody can get out fishing here on the corner anymore because they're doing some construction right now. Hopefully they clear that up soon. But it's cold out here. Look at, except my rod icing up. Another one. Let's go. I got a little green jig head or gold jig head on with a minnow, tip of the minnow in the tail swimming around. Just 2 split shots. It takes a while to get down, but it's doing the work. So. That's not bad. Yeah, I would. Man, we're getting them. Getting them, baby. Another nice fish. Let's go. Another jumbo, baby. These guys are struggling a little bit. I don't know what's going on, man.
Struggling over here.
They're getting them, but they're struggling.
Jeez.
We ain't getting a lot of small ones, but we're getting a couple. Another little guy.
Check the other one.
Yeah, that's cool. Let me grab this other one too. Another one.
Nice one.
Jesus Christ. Fat hog, baby, fat hogs.
I love these ones. Love these ones.
Let's go, baby. Another nice hog. Let's go, baby. It's the old drop shot. Down on the bottom, hook up a little bit.
Give this some little ones.
They're just coming up. They're just coming up, baby. Let's go.
That's what we talking about. Catch them blast, boys.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Saw a 9 to 10 inch fish here. Well, I haven't been filming every fish, but been getting quite a few. Still cranking away at them. Missed them.
Right in their fucking mouth.
They're stacked up down there.
Damn it.
Those fish are stacked up. Keep coming through like that. I want to show you guys how cold it is right now. This is just water dripping down on my waders. Freezing right up. just absolute jumbos, baby. All right, guys, I gotta go film some stuff for somebody else, so we're gonna wrap this up. We'll be back out here again, but thanks for tuning in to Casting and Blasting, man. We'll keep you on them.
Yeah, but we're about ready to go here.
They're still in there. There we go, baby.
Boys,
I'm talking about.
back to work. We got out.